with the horizontal. It is the horizontal component x, vertical component y. Horizontal component velocity, initial velocity, that is the ux equal to u cos theta, and vertical component uy, it is equal to u sin theta. Vertical sine, horizontal cos. So first we are finding the value of motion along a horizontal component. Ux value ax. For the acceleration it is 0. Now position formula, x is equal to ut plus half at square. Just apply the value. You will get t equal x divided by u cos theta. This is first equation. The next one, the motion along a vertical component. That is vertical component. It is against to gravity minus g, towards due to gravity plus g, against to gravity minus g. Again using the position formula, y equal to, because of it is vertical, y equal to uyt plus half ayt square. Apply the value, you will get u sin theta t minus 1 by 2 gt square. Now the value of t, it is x by u cos theta. U cancel, sin by cos, that is a tan theta, minus 1 by 2 t square, it is there now. So t square means x square divided by u square cos square theta. So after simplification, you will get y equal to x tan theta minus g divided by 2u square cos square theta x square. So this is the parabola formula. So that the projectile is parabolic path, whether it is straight line or rectilinear, otherwise curved path. This is the parabolic path. The projectile is the parabolic path. One more question. Next one, finding all the different condition. What is the time of flight? What is time of ascent? What is time of descent? Range, maximum height, and theta, everything. The first one, time of flight. Time of flight means the initial point to origin to up to reaching ground. This is time of flight. O to Q. So time of ascent T1, time of descent T2. Both also equal. T1 is equal to T2. Then you will get T equal to 2T, T equal to small t equal to capital T by 2. Again using the first equation, V is equal to U plus AT T is in this equation, final velocity up to in this point. What is the velocity? It is 0. So final velocity is 0. Initial velocity u sin theta, ay, that is a minus g, t value t by 2. Then you will get time of flight, t equal to u sin theta divided by g. Time of flight completed. Okay. So next, maximum height. The initial velocity, this is the maximum height point. That is the h. It is also vertical component. Height, it is belong to vertical component. So that y axis, y equal to uy t plus half ay t square, uy value u sin theta, ay value minus g, and small t value capital T by 2. But you will get capital T formula 2u sin theta, time of flight. So 2 cancel means small t, u sin theta by g. Okay, apply the values ma, h formula. Yes. Some students making confusion with in this area. U sin theta, u square sin theta divided by g. Next step. U square sin theta divided by g minus 1 by 2 g u square sin square theta divided by g square. So g square, g, and in this g also cancel. Remainder 1 by 2 u square sin square theta divided by g. What are the common term? U square sin theta g. It is common, no? 1 second. Here u square sin square theta divided by g. 1 minus 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2 means again remainder 1 by 2. Okay, h value 1 by 2 u square sin square theta, not sin 2 theta. So write properly my equation number 5. That is h equal to 1 by 2 u square sin square theta by g. Okay. The next step, just a minute. Yeah. Next, finding the horizontal range. So velocity equal to distance by time. Distance equal to velocity into t. So velocity range, it is a x component, u cos theta into t. Why I'm using capital T means it is a time of flight, not time of ascent, not time of descent. It is a time of flight, that is a capital T. So capital T formula 2u sin theta divided by g, u cos theta, u square, cos theta sin theta, 2 sin theta cos theta, it is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to sin 2 theta. So range R equal to u square sin 2 theta divided by g. Range formula completed. So range, time of flight, time of descent, time of ascent, height, path, projectile path formula. These are the basic formula for understanding problems. Once you clear within this formula, we go for problems. Okay. And don't take leave, ma. Kindly attend everyone. Don't miss the class. Once you miss the class, you can't understand what I'm saying. What is the formula? What is the use? How to apply into the problems like that. Okay, don't miss the class. If you have any difficulties, please inform to me. Uday Kumar, did you understand? Tamare Chelvam, reversion.
So yes.
Okay, ma. Priti, Vishal, Tanusri, Abhirakshaya. And in this week test portion, ma, chapter number 3, motion in a straight line. Unit test, 40 mark question paper. And 30 mark MCQ. MCQ as well as theory, both also same chapter, chapter number 3. You know already the notes. That notes alone prepare properly now itself. Today onwards start preparing half an hour. Okay, daily 2 problems. Do the homeworks. You select yourself daily 2 problems. Motion in a straight line.
Sir,
Yeah, Niranjan. Tell me, Niranjan.
Sir, for me, your voice is breaking before, sir. Can you reteach this concept
Can you text
now?
me? Your voice not audible, ma. Send it message in my number.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So what is trajectory means? Yeah, the path followed by the projectile is called trajectory with always parabola path. This is the meaning. Trajectory means the path followed by the projectile is called trajectory. Okay. Now we already complete the equation x formula for the coordinate for the finding the displacement s equal to x square plus y square, time of flight 2u sin theta divided by g, maximum height h formula u square sin square theta divided by 2g, range formula u square by g sin 2 theta, and based on the value 2 theta. Okay, so 2 theta sin value, theta value 45 degree. So theta 45 means you will get 90, then the value is 1. The R value range u square by g. The next one, the velocity, up to that we completed. Now we are discussing the special case. Theta value 45 degree means R equal to u square by g. The range in maximum, the 90 degree only maximum, no? So R equal to u square by g. The velocity of the projectile. So velocity means two places, two component also there. X component as well as y component. So x component, that is a u cos theta. Y component u sin theta minus gt. U sin theta minus gt. That is P is equal to u plus at. Using in this formula, vertical component against to gravity minus g, u sin theta, u value, that is a u sin theta for vertical component. Using in these two formula, resultant formula v is equal to root of a square plus b square. No, the resultant r equal to root of a square plus b square. So u x square plus u y square, applying value u square cos square theta minus plus u sin theta minus gt. Just apply the values, you will get final velocity root of u square plus g square t square minus 2u sin theta gt. Just note on the formula for the problem purpose. Next, making angle with alpha. So Vy divided by Vx, Vy u sin theta minus Gt divided by u cos theta. Take a note, small. Here, u square cos square theta plus u sin theta minus gt whole square into root also there. So this one a minus b whole square formula. You will get a square no u square sin square theta plus g square t square minus 2u sin theta and 2u sin theta gt. U square sin theta, u square cos theta. So I will take common for u square. Sin square theta, cos square theta value is 1. So remainder u square only. G square t square, g square t square minus 2u sin theta gt. No need in this explanation and alma. You go for directly formula. So projectile thrown parallel to horizontal also we completed. The equation of trajectory, the resultant velocity formula Vx square plus Vy square, Vx formula u, Vy formula gt. So you will get u is equal to root of u square plus gt square. Take a notes. Now listen. In your NCERT book, introduction, scalar vector, the multiplication of vector by the real numbers, the addition and subtraction graphical method, the resolution of vector, vector addition analytical method, motion in a plane with the constant acceleration, relative velocity. So relative velocity is incomplete. Projectile motion completed. Uniform circular motion incomplete. So only 2 topics. So remainder all the topics we completed. Scalars. In this chapter only scalar. Next chapter after only we'll get vector also. The types of vectors, vector analytical method, the properties, vector product, scalar product properties. This one, the derivation part, the resultant vector derivation formula. Motion in a plane, position after velocity, next to acceleration, how to change, X formula, R formula, instantaneous acceleration, the motion in a plane with the constant acceleration. The three formula it is no. But free V is equal to U plus AT, S is equal to UT plus half AT square, V square equal to U square plus 2AS. In this relevant also computer. Relative velocity we'll discuss. Projectile motion. Your book derivation, it is different, it is somewhat difficult. So that only we are going for easy method. You can follow the before what we completed that one. Okay. So now you get an idea about what we are going, where it is there, how much completed syllabus. Some technical problem or one. Okay. Physics, subject code 042. Academic year 21-22 for you. Physical world, unit and measurement, motion in a straight line, motion in a plane. 4 chapters now. Unit 1, unit 2. So almost we completed first unit, second unit. Maybe in this week I will complete. And laws of motion, third unit. Combined together, you will get 23 marks. So approximately each chapter 4 to 5 marks. 4 mark it is there approximately. In first chapter, maximum they won't ask any questions. So no need to fear about in this chapter. Step number 2, 3, 4. Very important. Laws of motion. In class 9th, what are the things you learn? Same thing. Work energy power. It is also basic. System of particle and rotational motion. So this is only for you new. So after gravitation. So up to gravitation completed means volume 1. One book is over. Second book, mechanical properties of solid. Step number 10, 11, 12, thermodynamics. Same thermodynamics in class 11 chemistry book also there. Chemistry also is there. This is somewhat different. Okay. Next, kinetic theory, oscillation, wave. This is volume number 2. This is your syllabus. In your book, maximum things it is there, but you should follow the syllabus. I think so. We completed all the areas. Graphical treatment over. Scalar vector quantity, position, displacement vector, general vector, the notation, equation, equality of vector, multiplication, unit vector, relative velocity, the resolution of vector, rectangular component, scalar product, and the vector product. Motion in a plane, uniform acceleration, projectile motion, uniform circular motion. Okay, so this general we want to discuss. Mark. Okay, practical mark. So practical 30 marks. Record at least 12 experiments, each section 6, and activity also 6 activities. Section A 3, section B 3, and submitting the project 3. 2 experiments 7 plus 7. Practical record note 5 marks. 1 activity from any one section 3 marks. Project 3 marks. Viva on experiment and activity project 5 marks. So in this 30 mark purpose only, I'm giving for you activity. So last week we conducted 2 activities. Activity number 1, activity number 2. The first activity, it is a hot integrated studies. Physics relevant, chapter number 1, 2, 3. Any one small topic relevant, draw the diagram and send it to me like that I said. But I received only few students. So based on in this mark, how many of you completed? Only particular students alone, I will give the mark. Activity 1. Activity 1, I sent it on a Google form. So what are the topics up to that you remember? Please fill it and send. So in this form also, I received only 35 to 40 students. The remainders, I will mention as a absent, otherwise 0. Yeah, how to use screw gauge, how to take the measurement of screw gauge, positive error, negative error, 0 error. This and all we completed. The vernier caliper also we completed. Screw gauge also we completed. Okay, 3 activity, 3 experiment. Now in this chapter 11, one it is a parallelogram law of vectors. So this one in this week we'll see. This is beam balance, physical balance only, ma. This one also we'll discuss up to 6. See that. What are the activities is there? To make a paper scale of given least count. Example 0.2 centimeter, 0.5 centimeter. So determine the mass of the given body using the meter scale by principle of momentum. See that. To study the variation of range of a projectile with the angle of projection, theta. based on theta value. Now we are discussing in this chapter. This is maximum volume 2. So don't miss anything. The activity, project, any extra work, assignment, classwork, test note, everything important. Based on your performance only, will give mark. Present 12th standard it is there, no? We are getting mark based on class 10th, class 11th, class 12th. 30 for class 10th, 30% for 11th, 30%, 40 for 12th. So 30 marks. Just a think, just 5% is gone. Out of 30%, only 25%. Class 10th, minimum. So no one get 100 out of 100, maximum, I think so. 3 subject 100 out of 100 means okay. But only 1 or 2 subject only more than 90 mark. Definitely you will get only 25%. Class 10, 11th, 30%. Some students not submitted classwork. Classwork is considered to record. Classwork, activity, project. So definitely you will get 20%. 45% only it is there. Out of 60, only 45. So it is enough. In this mark for me, okay. And you are thinking not only I myself, like that physics, chemistry, maths, biology, all the subject. For example, I'm giving mark one students out of 70, 65 I'm giving means in outside school or 1 minute. Okay. So 2 teachers from outside of school, they will come and verify. Okay, I given 65 mark. How? So what are the format you following? Unit test, class test, record, everything they will verify. Okay, 65 is correct. But I given mark, there is no evidence means. So definitely they will reduce only pass mark. So that is a 40 mark, only pass mark. The mark is very important, mark. So this and keep in mind. Don't miss the class. Write the exam properly. It is MCQ or theoretical, both also. And maintain the classwork. And do all the activities, all the assignment, everything. If you have any doubt, you can refer the CBSE website, cbse.gov.in. Kindly refer the website. What are the things it is the CBSE curriculum and the syllabus. Next to the marking scheme. So what is the procedure? Everything. Okay. Okay. So next one problem. It is also related to vector. The position of the particle R formula 3t plus I cap minus, it's not a plus, 3t I cap minus 2t square j cap plus 4 k cap. Okay, this is the position formula. Now we want to find t in the seconds and the coefficient of proper unit b. What is the magnitude and the direction of velocity of the particle? T equal to 2 seconds. What is the magnitude and the direction of velocity they are asking? So earlier I said position, one time differentiation you will get velocity, two time differentiation you will get acceleration. Differentiation formula t power n, it is equal to n into t power n minus 1. Okay, so dr by dt. This is velocity formula. V is equal to dr by dt. Now apply the value r value 3 I cap minus 2t square plus 4 k cap. Now listen. Three t power 1 minus 1. So after the differentiation, 3 t power 1 minus 1 minus 2 into 2 t power 2 minus 1 t power n equal to n into t power n minus 1. This is the formula. For in this area, there is no t. Okay, it is considered to t power 0. T power 0 value 1. 0. So that fully in this time fully, it is 0. Okay, so you will get remainder 3t I cap minus 2 2s are 4, 4t power 1 j cap meter per second. So this is the velocity. V is equal to 3 I cap minus 4t j cap meter per second. The unit is very important. Up to that, please note it. Just note the problem. Listen. What is the magnitude and the direction of the velocity of the particle? 2 seconds. This is the value completed. So next we want to find the direction also, velocity. After velocity will go next time differentiation. It is acceleration, no? Position, velocity, acceleration. So acceleration formula A is equal to dv by dt. The V formula now only we discussed 3 I cap minus 4t j cap. So 3 means what? 3, 0, t power 0 it is minus 1. So entire term it is 0. Don't disturb any other things, ma'am. Only t value. It is there, you can use. Then 4 will come. So A is equal to minus 4 j cap meter per seconds. Minus, it is referred negative retardation. and j cap. This is the direction. J cap, it is the direction meter per seconds. It is a y component. So next, applying value, t value 2 seconds. So velocity formula v is equal to 3 I cap minus 4t j cap. T value 2 seconds more. So 4 2s are 8. So velocity equal to 3 minus 3 I cap minus 8 j cap. The magnitude of velocity, just now we discussed the resultant formula, Vx square plus Vy square, Vx square 3 square minus actually this is plus more Vx square plus minus 8 square. So 3 square, what is the answer? Check it whether it is right or wrong. 73. So it is right. So root 73. Taking root. In case you know that, you can take the root value. Otherwise, up to root 73 also okay. 8.54 meter per second. The next direction formula, theta equal to tan inverse Vy by Vx. So tan inverse Vy, y value minus 8, x value 3, minus 8 by 3. So tan inverse 2.6667. Taking tan value, this and all, log book it is there, but maximum we are not using log. Up to that enough. Okay, ma'am. Take a notes. Akshaya, Harshini, Jeevanandam, Kabilan, Kartika, Muhammad, Anjit, Srihari Sivakumar, Sibi, Ivarajavel, Ushantev. Kindly attend the class properly, ma. Okay. So next one problem for homework. It is in your book. You can try example 4.5. Example 4.5. Homework problem. A particle start from origin t value 0 with velocity 5 I cube meter per second and moves in xy plane under the action of a force which produce a constant acceleration formula 3 I cap plus 2 j cap meter per second square. First one, what is the y coordinate of the particle at the instant x? Coordinating 84 meter. What is the speed of the particle at this time? Example 4.5. One more problem also. Okay. So exam problem complete and revise all the topics, all the formulas. Again, we'll discuss next class. Don't miss the class. Everyone attend properly. Thank you. On step number 4 notes after the class, I will share you. Today you will receive. Thank you. Complete the homeworks and complete the today works. Classwork also. Niranjan after give me message, ma.